big boy out today. This Champion 11,000 watt tri-fuel. They can accept propane, natural gas, and gasoline. So yeah, we're good to go. I'm charging up my batteries right now. I think we're at 70%. So we'll be charged up in maybe about 25 more minutes, because we're not getting a lot of sun. So I have that's my backup right there. Definitely need a backup just in case you don't have a lot of sun. So we'll be charged up in about 20-25 more minutes. So yeah, this is how we live. Champion 11,000 watt tri-fuel.